6 resistors, each of resistance R are connected as shown, and the combined resistance is 66 kilo ohms. So the combined resistance across these two ends is 66 kilo ohms, right? And we need to figure out the value of R. We need to figure out the value of each resistance, because all of them are identical. So this is R, this is R, this is R. These three are also of R ohms, and we need to figure out the R. So there will be some mathematics involved in this question. So what we'll do, the strategy would be to first develop an expression for the combined resistance, and we'll make R the subject and equate total resistance to 66 kilo ohms, right? So first of all, let's analyze this thing. So here, this is R, all right, and these two are R and R, all right, and these two are connected in parallel. So we can say that we can write the combined resistance over here as R by 2, because we know that from the formula for the total resistance in a parallel combination, we can say that the combined resistance of these two would be R by 2. So we can say that the combined resistance for these two resistances of R ohms connected in parallel will be R by 2. This is, let's write the combined resistance here, R. And lastly, we got R, R, and R. We got 3 R's in parallel. So let's write down the formula for the resistances in parallel. So 1 over R plus 1 over R plus 1 over R equals to 1 over R equivalent, right? Our goal is to find the R equivalent. So R equivalent will be equals to 3 over R equals to 1 over R equivalent, and R equivalent will be equals to, alright, so R over 3, right? Because this will be 3 over R and will be equated to 1 over R equivalent. And when you make R equivalent the subject, R equivalent will be R over 3, right? And so the combined resistance for this part is R over 3, alright? So we got 3 resistances in parallel. We got R plus, because when you have resistance in parallel, you just directly add them, right? So we'll just add them directly. So R plus R by 2 plus R by 3 equals to, and what's the total resistance with the combined resistance is 66 kilos, okay? 66 kilo ohms, all right? You need to check for the kilo, okay? Now let's make the denominators common, all right? So we'll just make the denominators common by multiplying, all right? So this would be 2 3s are 6, and this would be 3 2s are 6, and this would be not 3, it should be 6. So this will be 6R plus 3R plus 2R divided by 6, and this whole is equivalent to 66 kilo. Now let's find out what's the value of R. So R, 6R plus 2R is 8R, and 8R plus 3R is 11R equals to, and 6 times 66 is, so 6 times 66 is 396, so 396K. And by the way, K is the prefix, which is representing a multiple of a number 1000, okay? So R, we make R the subject, and R will be equals to 396K divided by 11, and we get the value of R as 396 divided by 11 will be 36K. Alright, so this will be 36 kilo ohms. So R, which is the individual resistances, that will be 36K. So the option D is the right option.